我2017年来中国，然后来到中国以后，我1年专门学了汉语，然后现在在做实验。我的专业就是细胞生物学。
Living in China has positively changed my life. I have learned a lot of new things. I have developed some good habits. One of them is waking up very early in the morning. I also want to mention Chinese medicine. Because I believe it has less harm for your health than the Western medicine, it also helps me to recover very quickly. I also like Chinese relationship between older and younger generation. They always show their respect. Also in lab, seniors help juniors with experiments and give advice. Chinese cuisine is very rich. When I was in Kazakhstan, I really missed the food, especially the local food, paomo, lamian. I highly recommend everyone to study in China, the high level of the Chinese education system. Chinese is the second language of international business. China is a combination of ancient culture and high-tech modernity, different cities and climatic zones.